Today we'll be walking through the new co-teacher feature, which allows for multiple educators to work in the same classroom without creating duplicate classrooms, duplicate students, or duplicate setup work. We'll start by opening up a classroom with just one teacher. Here you'll see the Invite Co-Teacher option. We'll click this and we'll invite our teacher by name. An important thing to note is that the teacher that you wish to invite must have an existing Peekapak account at your school. Once we've selected the teacher that we'd like to invite, we simply press the Invite Co-Teacher button. This will send an email to our selected teacher, which they will have to accept to get access to the classroom. This is the email that the invited teacher will receive. It lets them know that they've been invited to co-teach a classroom on Peekapak. Now inside the email, you'll notice the accept and the decline button. Clicking these buttons won't accept or decline the invitation right away. Instead, it takes the teacher directly to the Peekapak platform where they can review the invitation and choose whether to accept or decline it. This is an important distinction because nothing that happens in the email itself, including clicking any of the buttons, counts as accepting or declining the invitation. The buttons are simply there as a link to get to the platform. To actually become a co-teacher for the classroom, the invited teacher needs to log in and take action directly within Peekapak, either accepting or declining the invitation from the platform. Once they've accepted on the platform, they'll officially be added as a co-teacher for that classroom. As the invited teacher, after opening the email invitation and signing in, we'll be prompted to confirm our acceptance of the invitation for the classroom. Here we'll click confirm. And on our co-teacher dashboard, we should be able to see the homeroom that we have co-teacher access for, the other co-teachers for this classroom, as well as the students of this class. Now, if we were to go and check classroom settings, if we go ahead and check our classroom settings, we'll see that the Invite Co-Teacher option has changed to now become the Manage Co-Teachers option. In the event that we would like to leave the classroom, we'd simply press Leave Classroom. An important thing to note is that a teacher can leave the classroom as long as at least one other teacher remains assigned. It's also important to note that all teachers currently share the same permissions. There's no role differentiation yet, nor is there any support for classroom merging.